Hello guys, welcome to Excel Path. Today we are going to see how to how to start with macros in Excel. Okay, so to start with macros, you have to get developer tab in Excel file. Okay, so before that you have to save the macro file which is in Excel macro enable workbook. Okay, and also you have another set of templates which is binary and 97 2003 workbook, and these are the workbook we can you can save the macros. Okay, so but in this format you cannot save the macros. So now I'm going to get the develop tab in my Excel. Right, for that I'm going to file, options, customize ribbon, and developer. Okay, so now I get my develop tab in my Excel workbook. Now I going to okay, so this is a virtual basic. So to enter into your macros modules, you have to get into this, and this is to see your macros, existing macros, and this is to record your activities, which will be converted to macros. Okay, so this macro security now this is not required, and yeah, we will start with recording macros. Okay, so I am going to give my first macro. Right, I'm going to save it in this workbook, and I'm going to give my shortcut key. So Control Shift M. Okay, so I'm going to give Control Shift M as shortcut key to this macro. Right, so this key already assigned to some other macros. So I'm going to give Control Shift L. Okay, yeah. So now I'm going to write some value in E5. Okay, how we start with hello world. Hello. So I'm going to stop recording right now. So here you can see. So I have written hello world and recorded as macro. Okay, I'm going to run it now. Control Shift and L. So it write hello world in that cell, right? So so what my requirement is, I want to write hello world in where I have which cell I have selected. I have to write hello world in that cell. So I'm going to edit that macro. So here you can see this is our code. We want to have a leveled in active cell. Okay, so I'm going to delete these two codes, and here you can see what it's saying is active cell formula R1C1 and right hello world, right. So I'm just saving and exiting from uh, VBA, and I'm going to run it now. So Control Shift L, it writing hello world in active cell, right. So I'm just checking here. Control Shift L, it is writing hello world in this cell. Okay. From this lesson, we are come to know how to start with macros. Likewise, you can record whatever you want, or wherever you want to write. So you can save it as shortcut keys. So you can use it wherever you want. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.